Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So, I got these in the mail from Marge, and I want to thank her very, very much. She really didn't want me to do a big deal about it or, that kind of thing, but I did want to say thank you to her. I've never had these. These are Faber Castell polychromos, and I usually use Prismacolors, but I'm very excited to use this. So I'm using my same coloring book, and I figured why not do a little sample and see what these are like. So this is what they're called. Artist color pencils. They're very fancy, and it has this really cool case, so which is metal. So they'll have a place to stay. There's 24. Oh, I'm so excited. So I thought we'd see what they're like. So I'm gonna do like outline with darker and then see how they blend. Oh, they're smooth. Oh my gosh, it's almost like ink. Oh. And I love my, oh, look at that. Prismacolors. But these, oh geez. I wonder if you can buy these individually. I'll have to look. So that's that. Let's see. Let's blend. Let's put this in here. Oh yeah, look at that. It blends nice. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is so exciting. I figured I would do a demo, so if anybody ever was thinking like, oh, I want to try these or anything like that, you had an idea. But I'm going to tell you, these are nice. Now, the only thing I will say, and it's not a bad thing, I would like, because I'm looking at these colors, and although I'll use them a lot in my mixed media, I don't know. I would have to go through all these colors and see. This might be a great base to start with, but I would like to buy maybe individual colors. Do you know what I mean? Rather than always having, or like, let's say, I know I go through whites like crazy. I have like 12 Prismacolor whites because I love them and I use them to blend and all the things. And also a cream, which I don't see here. So I would look and see if they had a cream or whatever. But I mean, if I could buy individuals, but that's what I would probably suggest to people, depending on what you want to color. Do your Roy G. Biv, your black, white, just to start, and then build up from there. But I mean, let's see, like they have burnt ochre, raw umber. I mean, those are all great for like face and stuff like that. You can really build. So what I want to do, that was those colors. And then there's, let's see, this orange. Let's see how this is. I mean, they really blend nice. I mean, that's going on like nobody's business. I'll color that all in. You can see. Oh gosh, these mixed with my Prismacolors. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm like so concentrating, like, oh, so nice. Okay, so let's take this lighter color. I mean, I can even go lighter if I want, but okay. Very bright, very nice. Let's go in here a little bit. Oh, look, it's coloring over that with no problem. Like if I wanted to do darker, you know what I mean? Like blend it. Okay. Look how nice. Oh my goodness. Okay. So now what I want to try is blending with white, which I love to do. Let's see, where'd you go? Okay, so let's pick a color. We'll pick magenta. The magenta, dark, and then this light color, which is dark red, and this is magenta, which I figured. Okay, so let's do, here. I'll do the red in here. I want to see like if this white lightens it, if it will blend it, or maybe it won't even do anything. Who knows? So we're going to put the red there, dark red. Oh my goodness, look at that color magenta. Oh my gosh. And I'll just kind of go like that. A little bit here. Okay, so now let's take our white and see how this blends. And if it lightens it, or does it put a white cast? Because some do, they put like a white cast over top the color. Well, it blends it. It blends it. Now, if I keep going on the same part, like the same area, it will lighten it, which I like. You see, let me see if I can do some in the middle here, this red, which I do like because it gives me a little bit more control. Okay, let's see. It definitely blends nice. It really helps blend the colors into more of a flat, I don't mean flat in the sense of, I guess smooth is more of the word. So it makes it smooth. But you can see on the black lines, let me see right here, like where this T is. Do you see that, how opaque that is? I mean, that's pretty sweet. Oh gosh, so I just love these. I'm happy. I'm gonna have to do a face. I'll never be able to keep these in order. I will tell you that. They're so pretty when you first get them, and by the time I'm done with them, they're gonna be a mess. But I want to thank Marge. These are very exciting, and I just can't wait to experiment more with them. And I do have to do a video. I got a lot of requests for drawing a face. And I want to welcome everybody that is new to my channel. Thank you very much for being here and having patience with me. And that's about all I got today. I hope you guys are enjoying your summer or your winter, depending on where you're at, and staying safe and just loving life. So as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.